अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, इंग्लिश शॉर्ट एंड स्पीड में आपका वेलकम होता है। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं एडिटोरियल न्यूज़पेपर। लेट्स स्टार्ट। 60 to 65 वर्ड पर मिनट स्पीड। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। पाकिस्तान में never have witnessed a character as notorious and slippery in the illegal organ trade as Fawad Mumtaz, a plastic surgeon turned alleged criminal mastermind. Mr. Mumtaz has repeatedly escaped the clutches of the law, making a mockery of our law enforcement and justice system. Full stop. His recent escape from FIA's custody and rearrested has once more put the spotlight on the dark web of organ trafficking in Pakistan. Full stop. New para. Mr. Mumtaz operation have reportedly spanned Punjab, KPK, AJK since 2007. Full stop. He has allegedly even preyed on clients from Gulf countries. The billionaire surgeon reportedly thrived on exploiting desperate donors and critically ill patients alike, leveraging their despair for financial gain. The incident episode involving the unfortunate dismiss of comedian Umar Sharif's daughter following an illegal transplant by Mr. Mumtaz underscores the dire stakes involved and the sheer impunity with which these criminal networks operate. Not only is the physical web being of the ethical fiber of our medical community is also threatened. New para. It is imperative we descend the depth and reach of Muhammad Mumtaz network, bringing every enabler, complice, and beneficiary of this malicious trade to justice. The onus falls on our lawmaker, law enforcer, and the medical community to irrevocably dismantle the dangerous empire he is associated with. The state must also strengthen the implementation of the transplantation of human organ and tissue. Human Organ and Issue Act 2010 that criminalize illegal transplantation, so the organ trafficking trade finds little room to operate and no other. Fawad Mumtaz emerges from the shadow. Full stop. New para. Furthermore, we must spread awareness about organ donation. More than 1,500,000 people die of organ failure in Pakistan each year, according to SWIT. And the primary reason behind this that in the non-availability of organs. Full stop. In addition, it must be recognized that the issue goes behind and tackling a legal challenge. Full stop. Thank you so much for